Ah, healthy comfort food. The delightful intersection of coziness and nourishment. It's like wrapping yourself in a warm blanket while your taste buds do a happy dance. Let's dive into some indulgent dishes with a nutritious twist, shall we? Dutch oven pizza. Imagine a pizza that's both comforting and guilt-free. We've cracked the code. Our Dutch oven pizza is made from scratch, and it's so good you won't believe it. Feel free to customize the toppings, mushrooms, peppers, or whatever your heart desires. Recipe by the Taste of Home Test Kitchen. Vegan chocolate cupcakes. Satisfy your sweet tooth with these decadent vegan chocolate cupcakes. They're moist, rich, and entirely plant-based, plus they won't weigh you down. Recipe: pure chocolate magic. Makeover cheddar biscuits. Remember those irresistible Red Lobster biscuits? Well, we've given them a makeover. Lighter ingredients, but still cheesy and buttery. Perfect for dunking in soup or just devouring on their own. Recipe by the Taste of Home Test Kitchen. Mushroom and sweet potato pot pie. Inspired by a brewpub creation, this pot pie is rich, comforting, and packed with umami. Mushrooms, beer, and sweet potatoes, what a combo. Recipe by Eben Robin from Copenhagen, Denmark. Makeover creamed corn without the guilt? Absolutely! We've slashed the calories and saturated fat while keeping all the creamy goodness. Perfect as a side or a comforting spoonful on its own. Recipe by Trisha Cruz from Eagle, Idaho. Makeover tater-topped casserole. Yes, you read that right. Healthy tater tots. We've lightened up this classic casserole while keeping all the tots your family loves. Crispy, cheesy, and guilt-free. Recipe by Scott Woodward from Shullsburg, Wisconsin. Creamy artichoke dip, lightened up. Gather round, folks. This ooey-gooey dip is a treasured favorite. With cheese, jalapenos, and a hint of lemon, it's perfect for parties or cozy nights in. Recipe: a crowd pleaser. Short rib ragu, slow cooker magic. Picture tender short ribs in a decadent tomato wine sauce. The slow cooker does the work, and you get to enjoy the richness. Serve it over pasta or polenta for ultimate comfort. Recipe: fall apart goodness. Remember, these dishes prove that comfort food doesn't have to compromise your health. So go ahead, savor the flavors, and feel good about it. Which one are you craving right now? Please like and subscribe.